I got into the lift just now and I bumped into my neighbor. She saw that I was carrying my grocery. She asked, "What am I going to make?" And I told her, "I'm going to make a simple noodle today. I'm going to make something that reminds me of back home in Penang, Malaysia. And my mom loves this. She buys this almost every day. It's eaten as a snack, as a breakfast. It can be eaten at any time of the day. It's called economy noodle." Economy noodle is a type of street food in Penang, Malaysia. It is so cheap, it costs literally almost nothing, less than $1 for one packet, and it's enough to fill you up for a few hours. Now, to make this economy noodle, traditionally in Penang, there are two types that they use. One is rice vermicelli, and the other one is a yellow Hokkien noodle. I explained to my neighbor what economy noodle means because she's wondering what actually goes into the noodle. I told her it's very simple. It only requires shallots, garlic, and a few different types of sauces, and it's meant to be plain with nothing else. No meat, just the noodle. Usually we eat this accompanied with curry chicken, and it's really super yummy and it is super simple to make. I'm gonna show you how to make this economy noodle. Okay, let's get started. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to remove half a packet of this bean sprout. The other half, I'm gonna put it back in the fridge. My mom will be very proud of me for tilling out this bean sprout. So it's easier to peel off the skin once they have been smashed. Cut it in half and then another half here. Half in the middle and then just cut it here again. Now to make the sauce, we will need 2 tablespoons of light soy, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and 1 tablespoon of dark caramel sauce. Then I'm going to add a little bit of water and some sugar, so about half a teaspoon of sugar, and mix the sauce. Okay. I'm bringing the water back to a boiling temperature. Then I'm going to toss in my Hokkien noodle. Gonna put in the shallots first. Going to add the garlic right now. Okay, next I want to add is the Hokkien noodles and the vermicelli, the sauce, spinach leaves, bean sprouts, that's it, it's all done. I wish you can smell the beautiful aroma in my kitchen from stir-frying the shallots to make this simple economy noodle, my home version. Now, this is a popular street food of Penang, Malaysia, and I have fond memories eating this noodle almost every day as a breakfast or as an afternoon light snack. This noodle is plain, but it goes very well with a Malaysian style curry chicken. I have a video, and the video link is below the description or on the top right of this video. Check it out, and I hope you will like that recipe and make it to go with this very simple plain noodle. It matches very well. Remember to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and if you like this video, and share with your friends and family. I'm Victor Khoo. Thanks for watching. See you next week.